Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. This new video is going to be about the fears you might have of creating videos on YouTube. It's something that I did last year. I started my YouTube channel and I now have about 50, a little bit, maybe I think it's a little over 50 videos now. I am going to be challenging myself actually, I already am challenging myself to do at least one video a day. There was a few days where I actually did 3 or 4 videos in one day to help build my channel and to also do videos like this to kind of help people who are starting online and they want to start promoting their business or whatever it is they want to promote. As you guys already know, I promote a business called Power Lead System. It's a amazing system of tools that you can use to brand yourself into any business, or you can promote the same business by itself and sell the products and get commissions of $20, $100, and $400 commissions. But the main point of this video is to talk about starting your own YouTube channel, because to me, video marketing is so much more powerful than any other form that you can do. Now, I'm not saying that you still can't do social media, other stuff like that. You still can, but video marketing is much more powerful because you can actually see the person that you will possibly be partnering with, and that's what I love about YouTube. And also, to get back to what I was saying before, I started my YouTube channel a year ago. Actually, it's a little over a year now, probably a year and like 3 months, and it was the best decision I made. I love making videos. I love putting inspiration into these videos. Even if you don't join my opportunity, I still want to give out some inspiration and knowledge that is universal. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the fear of doing videos. Videos don't have to be perfect. What I always say is be honest, get your message across, and that's it. You don't have to have like green screen in the background or anything like that. I do some videos in my car while I'm driving. Before I start leaving, I just set up my camera and then hit record, and while I'm driving I do it. But you could do it anywhere. You could. I've also done times where I've used my phone and used the camera to, if I'm on a walk in nature, I'll sometimes do videos like that. I've done those before. But the key is to keep trying. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. When you make mistakes, you learn from them. The key is to experiment and to see what's best for you. There are some people that might be afraid, oh, I'm too ugly, or I'm too fat, or something like that. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't. If people want to know you, they don't want to, they don't care about how you look or anything like that. What they want to see is confidence. They want to see that you are excited about this business that you're promoting or this website you're promoting, whatever it is. And that's the key to making good videos. And it does get easier over time. I'm going to blow up my image here. Hey guys, being bigger. I want to show you what I use to make my videos. I use this microphone right here. It's called the Blue Yeti microphone. I paid, I think, about $70 for it on Amazon. I think you can get it cheaper, but it was definitely well worth the $70 I paid for it. And another thing which I can't show you right now is the webcam I use. I use a Logitech. I think it says, I forget what it doesn't say it on the thing, but it's one of Logitech's really good ones. I spent, I think, about $100 on it a couple of years ago. This model may actually be cheaper now. But it's an amazing camera. It does a good job, but so yeah, that's what I use. I just use a Logitech webcam, my Blue Yeti microphone, and that's it. That's all I need to do it. And I also have some screen capture share, which you can use for free. It's called Screencast-O-Matic, and you can use this to screencast, do a screencast like I do right here. I'm going to put myself back in the corner here. There we go. And now, as you can see, there's a cursor here. You can see that I have a cursor here. It's just like as if you were here in my room watching me do something. But now I can do it to show you guys what I do on my screen as well. So that is all you need, really. You just need a microphone, a camera. If you don't have that stuff just yet, do videos on your kitchen table. Do videos in your car. Do videos while you're out for a walk. They don't have to be perfect, and the more you do them, the more you get comfortable doing it. And I love doing videos now. Even when I talk, I used to say a lot. You may do that in the beginning, but the more you talk, the more videos you put out there, the better you'll get. So this knowledge that I'm telling you right now is universal. It can go for anything. So one of the things that I recommend is you start doing video marketing. It's so much more powerful, and people get to see you. So and when you do video marketing, like the screen capture software right here, I'll show you. You don't even have to put your video here. As you can see, I took my image off. It's now not there anymore. You can just do a screen capture without the thing here. Like, this is my sales funnel for my business. This is what you do, and stuff like that. You just show people your business and what you can do in the business, and you can tell them, you scroll down here to, you'll see my picture, you send me a friend request, stuff like that. So I like to put myself in the corner because I want people to see me more. I have done a lot of videos where it's just me doing just the screen capture, but I really like it. So that's about it, guys, with this video. I just wanted to show you that you got to get over your fears, because a lot of times it's fear that holds us back from doing stuff that we really truly want to achieve. And that's part of the key to success, is to overcome your fears, get out of your comfort zone. And the more you get out of your comfort zone, the more it becomes comfortable, because you get used to doing videos, and the more you do them, the easier it gets. So, but that's all I'm going to say for this video. But if you would like to join my business, it's an amazing opportunity. You have the potential to position yourself to make 20 $100 and $400 commissions, and it's an amazing platform. Power lead system, all the way from the top people in the top leaders in the company, like the CEO and the creator of Power Lead System. They are constantly improving our platform, and you can make sales funnels just like this to promote anything you want to do. This is just stuff that we put together to help show people the value of this opportunity. So you can make great income doing this business. You really can. If you put in the work and you get out to people, like I said in this video, you build a relationship, whether it's through email, like sending them a message on email, or having them friend you on Facebook, or whatever it is, or just talking to them like you see right here in this video, because this is some of the income proof that you can potentially make in Power Lead System. As you can see right here, this is actually a screenshot my sponsor in Power Lead System put up here to kind of show some payment proof. And as you can see right here, Sunday, September 20th, 2015, he actually started this a few months, like about 3 months before this, but as you can see, he didn't start making huge money until he started, as you keep going down, like you see right here, it's 360, right here this week it was 155, 191, 1272, and when you get down to here on January 31st, you see he made $4,201. And this is the sum of the diamond commissions that he has made in this platform. Each diamond member is $100. So if you want to learn more about the compensation plan and all that, it's actually, check out all my other videos. I explain it in detail on how it works and everything, but this video presentation right here, it talks all about this. So all you'd have to do really truly is to hit the link in the description below, and also send me a subscribe to my channel, which will be a button that would be right under here under the video, and make sure you also hit the notification bell so you get the notifications when I make new videos. But that's all I'm going to say in this video, guys. It's my business opportunity. It is an amazing opportunity. This company, Power Lead System, give you all the tools, training, and support you need to help you succeed online. And by all the opportunities that I have ever done, this is my #1, because I trust it and I have no problem sending people to it, because there's one thing that's most important in online business. Not everyone follows it, but it's honesty. It's honesty, and also you don't want to lose your reputation or your name online, because once you do that, there's no going back. You can be ruined, and you will never succeed online if you do that. So send me a subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell once you subscribe, and then you'll see the link in my description. If you want to friend me on Facebook now, my Facebook link is in the description as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got something out of it. Don't be afraid. Fear is the one thing that holds us back. And I hope to see you guys all in the next video. Bye.